this is Mohammad Atullah Khan from Electrical Engineering Department, Namal University, Mianwali. Welcome to my FIP. My FIP is design of branch predictor in CV32E40P core. So let's talk about RISC-V. RISC-V is an open source instruction set architecture designed by researchers at the University of California, Berkeley. RISC-V is basically designed to be flexible, simple, which make it more suitable in wide range of applications. Let's talk about CV32E40P core. CV32E40P core is a 4-stage pipeline in order 32-bit RISC-V processor core. CV32E40P core is widely used in embedded system applications, smartphone, etc. Let's talk about what is the problem in CV32E40P core and why we choose it. Basically, when there are branch instructions occur in CV32E40P core, then there are stalls in its pipeline. Control hazard increases its execution time and decreases the efficiency of CV32E40P core. So we have to design and implement branch predictor in fetch and decode stage of CV32E40P core that decreases the execution time in case of branch instruction and increases its efficiency. Now let's come to this demonstration of the project.
I run test case of Hello World on CV32E40P core and analyze the clock cycle with and without branch predictor. Then I analyze the waveform of CV32E40P core and integrated branch predictor. This is the waveform of 2-bit branch predictor integrated in the CV32E40P core. I run benchmark of branch that consists of multiple instructions in CV32E40P core. Then I used CoreMark and Derrystone benchmarks to analyze the performance of the core.
Fact of this project in real-world environment and computing technology is that the advancement of branch predictor in the core can lead to faster the speed of different devices like embedded system applications, smartphones, and increases the user experience.